up, y'all? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Melva, simply Melva that is, and your girl is back with another video. Yes, I am back with another video. Yes, it's my birthday. So we are on our way headed to my sister's house. She is about to do my makeup. It is 3:34. I probably got like a 35-minute drive. I need to hurry up because it'll probably take her like an hour and a half or 2 hours to do my makeup. I don't know. But our dinner reservations are at 7 for my birthday, so I need to hurry up. So I'll see y'all whenever I get to the appointment. Hey y'all, so I'm in the drive-thru at McDonald's. I stopped to get this guy a Happy Meal. As you can see, he's knocked out. Y'all, it is $4.19. I just feel like pressure because I feel like I'm gonna be running late. It takes me like 35-40 minutes to get here, and then I have to take that much time to get back home. By the time I get home, it's gonna be probably like 6 o'clock, probably 6:15. Thank God the restaurant is probably like less than 10 minutes. No, I wouldn't say less than 10 minutes, probably less than 15 minutes away from my house. So y'all, this is crazy. Hey y'all, so I just made it to my sister's house. She don't want to be on camera, so I'm gonna zoom in so that y'all can see just how she does my face. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to get my makeup done. Really? Yo, man. Yes, finishing look. Yes, she ready. Ah, it looks so good. Hey y'all, so this is the finishing product. How I look. This is the dress. Hold on. And then here are the shoes. Little 1 2 1 2. So yeah, y'all, this is going to be the end of the video because we're about to hurry up and go to dinner. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.